In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home or just need to connect with your team quickly, knowing how to make a call through Teams is essential for maintaining effective communication. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser or the Teams desktop app and enter your login credentials. It's important to make sure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding, as this will ensure smooth call quality. Once you're in Teams, navigate to the chat section. Here you'll find a list of all your recent chats. You can open a chat with the person or group you want to connect with by simply clicking on it. This is a great way to keep all your conversations organized. And having a chat open will make starting a call effortless. When you have the chat open, look towards the top of your screen. You will see an icon that looks like a phone receiver or an audio call icon. Clicking this will initiate an audio call with the person or group you're chatting with. This method is perfect for quick, spur-of-the-moment conversations without switching to another app or device. It's fast, efficient, and keeps you in your work zone. But let's say you want to call a number directly without initiating a chat first. No problem. Teams has you covered. Look for the dial pad icon. It's usually located in the Calls section on the sidebar, or selecting the phone icon in your main screen. Once you have the dial pad open, you can simply type in the phone number you wish to call. This feature is particularly handy when you need to reach someone not saved in your contacts or when contacting external numbers. Additionally, if you're someone who likes to keep a tidy contact list, Microsoft Teams allows you to call directly from your contacts or call history. In the Calls section, you'll see a list of your recent calls and your contacts. Simply scroll through and click on the name of the person you'd like to call. This feature simplifies reaching out to colleagues you often contact, streamlining your communication process. These functionalities in Microsoft Teams make it an incredibly versatile tool for any workplace. Whether you're calling through a chat, using the dial pad, or calling from your contacts, Teams ensures you can stay connected how you prefer, all in one place. Practice these steps, and soon, making calls via Microsoft Teams will become second nature for you. Thank you for watching, and happy calling.